Hey guys, the normal, average, everyday Joe here, and with my actual laptop broken, I'm maybe having to do these videos under my mom's YouTube name. Hopefully not, or hopefully I'll figure that out later. But yeah, I may have to do it under her name, but my videos will still happen, and yeah. Today, I'm taking a look at one of the... Actually, I think it's the only worst episode of Jimmy Neutron I ever find. Yes, this is Carl Wheezer Boy Genius. I do not own any of this. So we start out with Jimmy and King in the park studying a tarantula. When Carl comes up and says his pen pal Elkie from Sweden is coming to visit.
And she's coming to Retroville, and her name is Elkie
Ekberg. That she's some sort of tennis playing model and stuff. So he tells her that. So Carl tells Elkie that he's a genius. And we're shown pictures of stuff Jimmy did with Carl's head over it. She told him Jimmy is his dim-witted assistant, and that Sheen was a monkey boy experiment gone horribly wrong. So, as much as Jimmy's against the idea, Sheen, hoping she has some sort of hot relative, says just play along. So they make Carl into Jimmy, and we meet Elkie. And so he becomes an asshole. So he becomes a dim-witted asshole. Carl, that is. And, yeah. Carl almost kills them at every turn. With the, let's see, the hover car. Let me make it out alive. So, to the lab they go. Now, he's seen these things, but at the lab he does the inventions, yet he doesn't know the names, but whatever, the fucking idiot.
What inventions are and how they work. Okay, well, that's the bring back people from a
time booth.
Another time machine thingy. And that's the thingy that goes...
Arch.
And that's the yellow thingy I know.
Hypno Ray.
Yellow thingy.
So Carl, stupid ass, somehow brings was it Attila the Hun? Yeah, Attila the Hun to our time through the Chrono Arch, which only lets you go 15 years into the future. And so, gives probably some sort of invention kind of brownies with nuts that Jimmy was working on. So after almost getting him killed, he quit. And so Carl takes Elkie on a rocket ride, which he doesn't know how to. And he points out and almost gets killed by asteroids, meteors, whatever. Jimmy and Sheen save them, and everything falls. As it turns out that Elkie was completely lying about everything, and so was Carl. So, fuck. Fuck the what? You know? You know? I just hate how... And that's the episode. And you know what? That kind of pisses me off, that episode. Carl acts like a fucking prick, and everything works out for him in the end. I don't know if this is one of the worst I have reviewed yet, or one of the least worst, but the fuck? Fuck, really? The fuck? At least in... I can't remember what this, but at least in the card and yours, mine, and mine, Patrick knows what he's doing is wrong and could stop at any time. And at least in Principal and the Popper, they come to terms with realizing what they did was wrong, and they're going to live with it forever, and now Skinner's even more of a joke than he used to be. Ha! And... oh, fuck. At least... whatchamacallit? At least one man, every man's dream has the dream thing. They can get away with it. Out of 10, I'd have to give it maybe a 3. Piece of shit. Well, that's about it. That's it. Normal, average, everyday Joe out.